Hi everyone, this is Kona, and I'm going to go through our week 3 information. So week 3 information, I'll add this video right here as soon as I'm done with it. But for study resources, we've got the week 3 notes. These notes are pretty specific for the quiz for this week. So kind of the whole focus is on the joint frequency tables, and that's section 1.7 in your textbook. And then this link to the notes should help as well. Even though the textbook should be fine, but this might help. The week 3 notes are just example problems, and the video for this week is actually me talking through the week 3 notes and explaining how I got the answers. It would probably be better for you if you try working through the week 3 notes on your own before you watch my video, so that way you kind of can see, did you know how to do things? Could you figure out how to get these answers on your own? But if you're having problems or you want to be able to check your answers, go ahead and watch this week 3 class notes answer key video, because I literally do talk through how to do week 3. For your assignments, we've got discussion 3, which is pie charts. And for this one, that's based on section 1.74 in your textbook, and it's titled on page 40. The only pie chart you'll see in this book is on that page 40, and it's obvious the authors of the textbook have issues with pie charts, but are the only ones. So for this one, you're going to actually be going through and kind of researching the debate on whether or not to use pie charts. Remember that initial post is due on Thursday, and then the follow-up is due by Sunday. But there you go. You've got your discussion requirements right there. So that's pie charts. The next one is your quiz. Oops, your quiz. So for that one, it's 1.7 in your textbook. Joint frequency tables right there as well. Here it says when answering your percentages, round your answer to 1 decimal place. So here it gives some examples. If you feel better, you can round it to 2. So instead of 30.8, you could do 30.769 if that would make you feel better, or 30.77. And you can do that as well. So yeah, and here it says if you don't want to mess around with rounding, you can do this as well, and Canvas will round for you. But just make sure that you do not put the decimal right there. You do not put the decimal in. But this is a graded quiz. It's 10 points. Let's see. You get multiple attempts. You get the highest out of the 5 attempts. You get to see the answers. And there's your due date. So we've got pie charts, question 1, or chapter 1, quiz 5, and then our project 1, part 2. And so for this one, you're going to be finding at least 3 other statistical sources similar to your original claim that you found from last week. So that's what you did last week. And now this week, you're going to find 3 additional sources that will kind of help back up what you found in this one. So here's an example of an original claim, and then here are my resources, and then here's what you should be discussing and talking about in regards to what you found, and then replying to other students about what they found. So those are your 3 assignments for this week. Overall, not a bad week this week, in all honesty. So enjoy it. We've got more stuff coming up in week 4. Then things will start to get a little busy again. So enjoy the kind of a little bit of a break week 3. We don't have too much. And if you have any questions or need anything, just let me know. Thanks.